Julia and Jackie, this is it. This is the love that was worth waiting for. The love that you've been searching for all your lives, and it was right here all along, waiting patiently for you to recognize what it truly was. And so it begins.
I've been waiting to marry you since the moment we first got together. You're my true love, my best friend, my adventure partner, someone out of my dreams, but you're real and we're really standing here right now. You're selfless, you put up with my weirdness, you're brilliant and good at everything you do. You're perfect. I promise to persistently make you laugh every day, or at least try my best, whether it be by telling you bad jokes, making up weird songs, doing silly dances in the kitchen, or sometimes just making random noises. I promise to persistently encourage and support you in everything you do, and I promise to persistently love you every single day, to appreciate every single moment we have together for the rest of our lives, and to love you unconditionally. Our adventures are out there, and I can't wait to go find them. I love you more.
I feel so incredibly lucky to be marrying you. You are kind, thoughtful, and when I look at you, I get butterflies. I'm so excited to build on this amazing life we've already created together and to fill it with even more love and laughter than we ever imagined possible. I promise that I'll always try to make you feel this deeply loved and do everything in my power to make you happy for the rest of our lives. I promise to be by your side in the good times and the bad. I promise to always know and tell you where your keys, wallet, shoes, and glasses are. I promise to never give up on you, just like you never gave up on me. Jack, you are my home and my adventure. You are my best friend, the love of my life, and my soulmate. I can't wait to see what adventures this life has to bring and to do it all with you. I love you more.
We said we'd walk together come what may, that come the twilight should we lose our way, and if we're walking a hand should slip free, I'll wait for you. Should I fall behind, wait for me. We swore we'd travel, darling, side by side. We'd help each other stay in stride, but each lover's step falls so differently. But I'll wait for you, and if I should fall behind, wait for me. Now there's a beautiful river in the valley ahead. There beneath the oak's boughs soon we will be wed. And should we lose each other in the shadow of the evening trees, I'll wait for you. Should I fall behind, wait for me. Do you, Jack, take Julia to be your wife, your constant companion and partner through all the adventures and challenges and the shared life ahead of you? Do you promise to maintain and strengthen the commitment every day, in joy and in sorrow, in sickness and in health, from this day forward?
I do.
He said, I do. Do you, Julia, take Jack to be your husband, your constant companion and partner through all the adventures and challenges and the shared life ahead of you? Do you promise to maintain and strengthen this commitment every day, in joy and in sorrow, in sickness and in health, from this day forward?
I do.
And with these vows and rings, you two have promised to love and cherish each other each day forward. It's my greatest honor to now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Tell you you're wrong, but As you both already know, adventure is out there, and this will certainly be the best adventure you've ever been on.
May you live as long as you wish, and may you love as long as you live.